Hi, Cheryl. This is Jill. Thank you for being patient with me getting back to you about your second mark for the surface movement. I'm going to say this bottom left one is a really nice one to consider this type of mark. The one you're going to get a lot of dramatic movement with this area right here. However, when you start to work out in the larger white areas in the ground space, you want to make sure that you remain intentional with where you place the marks so they don't look like they're randomly placed. So these out here can be a little bit more structured. I think it will read really, really well. The other one that you mentioned, this one right over here, is also really a nice selection, a nice choice to use, but it's going to be more gradual. So you're not going to see the movement as quickly as you would to the one on the far left. This one right here, what needs to happen is you really need to start to think about the spacing between the lines here as you make these larger marks. So it's really up to you. If you want a gradual effect of surface movement, I would stick with this one right here. If you want a more dramatic, I would stick to this one over in the far left. This is still a good one that we talked about, kind of that grid piece, but you need to be a little bit more extreme in different sizes. So either of these three work. I'm going to give an extension on this assignment because of Thursday, and I will be sending that out on Sunday. So I may want you to do another one too. So maybe you could do two. But we'll have some extensions coming up, and we'll be making plans for the class. Let me know if you have any more questions, and thanks for being my experiment with the screencast-o-matic application. Thank you. Bye-bye.